Our seas are increasingly impacted by human activities, leading to a loss of biodiversity and growing pollution threatening our future. Our society is increasingly concerned about those impacts, and as companies expand their businesses into the ocean, they have to face more public pressure to limit their impact and higher taxation costs and compliance requirements. At Ocean Ecostructures, we provide solutions to offset and mitigate their environmental impact by restoring marine life, contributing to the fight against climate change. At Ocean Ecostructures, we develop the latest regenerative technology to revitalize and enhance marine infrastructures, recovering ecosystem services. We change grey spaces into blue oases. Environmental regeneration consists in turning marine damaged ecosystems into rich environments, recovering biodiversity and restoring monetizable ecosystem services. Our IP-protected bioboosting system is a multi-layer complex structure that creates fully functional microreefs with a high-speed biodiversity regeneration capacity, thanks to its unique design. BBS is built on our proprietary LifeSkin natural substrate base, mimicking nature and providing the most appropriate surface for life to grow. The life boosting units have been designed to be extremely versatile and flexible, appropriate to be installed in different structures as concrete walls, floating docks, columns, among others, making them very appropriate for ports, offshore windmills, or oil platforms. Together with the BBS, Ocean Ecostructures provides a monitoring service through the iOceans platform and app, accessible to the general public, thus generating significant communications and social engagement opportunities, improving our customers' social acceptance. The BBS is versatile, easy to maintain and removable, therefore not affecting operations on site. BBS implementation changes the perception of marine infrastructures, making them nature positive, recovering ecosystem services, and improving social acceptance. At Ocean Ecostructures, our goal is to restore and reforest marine life, contributing to a healthier world for the coming generations.